Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super useful tutorial for all you Mac users out there. If you're a Mac user and you've got a Microsoft Word document that you need to convert into a Mac compatible format, you're in the right place. We know how frustrating it can be to deal with compatibility issues, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're going to show you 3 super easy methods to get this done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into these 3 methods, each designed to make your life easier. First up, using Pages. This is Apple's default word processor and it makes converting Word documents a breeze. Pages is a powerful tool that comes pre-installed on your Mac, so you don't need to download anything extra. Just open Pages on your Mac, click File, then Open and select your Word document. Pages will automatically do the conversion for you. It's that simple. Once your document is open in Pages, you can edit it just like any other Pages document. If you need to save it as a Pages document, just click File, then Save. And boom, you're done. This method is perfect if you frequently use Pages and want to keep everything within the Apple ecosystem. Next, let's talk about exporting from Word to a Mac-compatible format. This method is great if you prefer using Microsoft Word but need to ensure your documents are compatible with Mac. Open your Word document in Microsoft Word on your Mac, click File, then Save As. Here, you have a few options. You can choose Rich Text Format, RTF, or Pages, for full Mac compatibility. Alternatively, you can export it as a PDF if you need to share it easily. This method is super handy if you use Word more often but need that Mac-friendly format. It's versatile and gives you multiple options depending on your needs. Finally, let's explore using iCloud Pages for an online method. This is a fantastic option if you're on the go and don't have Pages installed locally on your Mac. Head over to iCloud.com and log in. Open Pages in iCloud, click Upload, and select your Word file. It will be converted and saved as a Pages document. This is great if you're traveling or using a different computer. So there you have it, 3 simple methods to convert your Word documents into Mac-compatible formats. Whether you're using Pages, exporting from Word, or using iCloud Pages, these steps are straightforward and quick. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, technology should make your life easier, not harder. With these methods, you'll never have to worry about compatibility issues again. So go ahead, try out these methods, and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. We love hearing from our community, and don't forget, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you make the most of your Mac experience. Thanks again for watching, and happy converting. See you next time.